Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are in my personal bathroom. I don't think I've ever shown you guys the view of this side of my bathroom. So I really kind of want to walk you through how my bathroom is organized and how I have my products placed. And I thought it'll be a really quick, nice little video to share with you sort of my everyday products I have in here. And one quick thing I would like to mention is that I know that I'm very blessed in that I have a lot of products. This is what I do for a living. You know, a lot of PR firms send me products all the time. So don't get overwhelmed when you see all these, you know, big names and things like that in my bathroom. Again, a lot of these things are gifted to me and I have the privilege of testing it out. So I want to mention that really quickly. But I really want to encourage you guys, and the reason why I'm doing this video is because I think the bathroom and the place where you do your makeup, for me, is a very sort of like personal space, and it's a very kind of central area where I really just like everything to look really pretty, and those are like the 5-10 minutes during the day I have where I can really just focus on myself. So I know I'm rambling, but let's get started and let me show you my bathroom setup. All right, let's start on the right side of my bathroom. So here is my perfume collection. I have done a video on my favorite perfumes, so I'm gonna link that video right here for you guys if you wanna see that. So I have them on a beautiful tray, and then the 2 toothbrushes, one for my husband, one for myself. I always have a photo of my husband and me right here framed, and that just reminds me how much I love him. And then I also have this amazing hand soap, which I've been using for years. It feels really luxe. It's made out of glass. It's made in France. It's just a really beautiful hand soap. It smells really great. And I just have that here for both of us. I have really, everything is sectioned, and I want you guys to sort of see what I mean with being sectioned. So I have my cleansing oils, which I take my makeup off right here. Obviously I have a few different options. You don't need 5 different cleansing oils, but these are the ones right now I'm really loving. And this is my friend Nikeo. She's amazing, and this is like a new indie brand. And this is the True Botanical, which I really love. And I really like taking my makeup off with a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm. So that is that area. Let's move over here. This little section right here is basically everything before I do my makeup, meaning after skincare. If I need to like maybe prime my face a little bit, I have like all my favorite primers. So I have my Glossier Future Dew right here. This is like an oldie but goodie, but I really love it. It's a clean and natural brand called Jane Iritol. I also have obviously my Magic Cream in here, which I love, by Charlotte Tilbury. This is a vitamin C by Skin Design, which I love. And this is a newer brand which I just discovered. It's called Bella Nectar, and I love it because it has these like gold specks inside, and it's all natural. It's like really pure and natural, and this looks really beautiful on the days when I don't really want to wear any foundation. It gives me a really beautiful glow. Then for eye creams, I have a few options right here. Obviously, one of my favorite eye creams of all times is the La Mer. I know this one is pricey, but I love this eye cream so much. This is a newer brand which I've just discovered recently, and I really love everything of the entire line. It's called Biossance. I think you say Biossance or Biossance. And this is the eye gel. It's really light. I like that this brand is also really affordable, and they make really beautiful, clean product. This is a brand I love. My friend Kelly Ataton, she's an amazing woman here in LA. She has her own store, and she has a lot of indie brands, and she turned me on to this product called Soma. And I love this. This is an eye gel. So inside it's like really jelly, and it's super clean, this product. It feels so nice on my skin. It's really cooling. So I love this on the days when I feel like I'm a little bit puffy and I need to like kind of like bring the puffiness down. It's amazing. And again, it's super, super clean and natural. So this is like one of my new favorites. And then I have another eye cream. This is a newer brand called Sant Chain. I love the packaging. It reminds me of YSL. I just think it looks so chic. I really don't know yet because I haven't tried it yet, but I love the packaging. All right, after my eye creams, let's move on to all my little mists. Again, here is this brand I told you earlier. It's called Bella Nectar. This smells like heaven, and I love it again because it's super clean and natural. And then I have the new Augustina Bader, which was just sent literally a week ago, and it's the exfoliating toner. This is beautiful. I've been using it the last couple of days and it feels so nice on the skin. It's really great again on those days when you wear a ton of makeup and you really want your skin to be squeaky clean. I really love it. And then I have my oldie but goodie and super affordable, my rose water mister right here, which I buy at Whole Foods, and it's really, I don't even know, it's like maybe $10 or maybe $15, I'm not sure, but it's great. I use this on my face. I even put it into my hair sometimes. It smells amazing and it doesn't have any alcohol in it. So this is a great face mister. All right, so on the left side of my bathroom counter, I have another tray, and on this tray I have all my favorite oils and sort of like natural remedies. So I'm gonna pull this over so it's a little bit easier for me to grab it. So I have my Uma oil, which is a really beautiful face oil. Clé de Peau has one of the most amazing face oils. I use that all the time. And then another one of my favorites, Vintner's Daughter, so beautiful. And there's a few other oils in there which I'm testing out. And then I always have a candle right here. I'm having one burning there right now. And then I have some of my favorite natural creams. This one here is the Veleda. I use this literally on everything. Like you can put this on your cuticles, on your elbows, on your feet. I even put it a little bit on my cheeks if I want a little bit of a natural glow, on my lips. Amazing. So another one I really love is this Arnicare. This is really great for any muscle pain you have or any swelling or injuries or bruising. Again, there's arnica in it, which is an amazing ingredient. So this is awesome. And I have the same one in calendula, also really good for minor burns or sunburn. And then let me walk you through my little tools. So these three devices are always in my personal bathroom and always in my pro kit for work. I love the New Face. The New Face is microcurrent, really helps to shape your face, bring out all these amazing cheekbones. Another one of my favorites is the Joanna Check. So simple and great when you travel or if you want to bring it into your purse. This again really helps to lift. And it's really cooling, so it really works well underneath your eyes if I have days where I'm a little bit puffy, or on my clients if they're tired or if they're traveling. And it just also feels really great. And I love, especially when I'm on set, I love taking the extra 5 or 10 minutes to really take care of my client and to pamper them. And then another amazing one is the Rifa. I have another video on just tools, so I'm going to link that also above right there. This one is beautiful. You can use that for your face, but I also love using it on my body if I have like some sort of soreness or if I just feel like I need a little extra love on my body. This one is great. All right, so these are all my face creams. I know there are a lot of face creams in there, but again, some of them are products I've used over the years and they're just like my favorites and classics. And then I have some newer ones I've just started using. And so the ones I really love, let me just show you. Obviously, this is a classic, the Augustina Bader. This is a newer cream and I just really recently started using it, Revive. I've heard a lot about this brand. I've never used it before and I'm really, really enjoying this. A more cleaner version and a really natural version would be the Soma. I showed you this one as an eye cream. This is really beautiful. It's an indie brand. I really like this product a lot. I even have Velleda in here. This is, this just reminds me of growing up in Austria, and this is a product my mom always used, so I love having it here. And yeah, there's a lot of Clé de Peau, there's some La Mer in here. And oh, this is a new brand which I really love called Seiso or Seiso. Really, really clean and I think very well priced and very beautiful product. And I have some notes. I have a Polaroid from my birthday party in Austria. I have a note from my mom. I have a picture my daughter made for me. So yeah, so that's that section. All right, so up here I have all my different sunscreens. Body sunscreen, face sunscreen. This is even a Kate Somerville sun mist, which is amazing if you're out in the sun and you want to like mist your face. Then these guys are facial masks. And then we're moving into body lotions. For body, up here are my absolute two favorites. It's the Augustina Beta and the Orbe. I love that they come in this beautiful, luxurious tub. And then right here is also body, but these are like different textures. So this is more of a cream. This is a new product by Is Clinical, and I find it very interesting because it's a spray, and it's called the Youth Body Serum by Is Clinical. Really innovative, new, cool product. Then this guy right here is a classic by Tom Ford. It has the gold specks in it, so it's really beautiful in the summer if you're showing some legs and you want a little bit more of a tan. This is beautiful. It's an oil, it's a body oil by 729 Luxe. Gorgeous product. And this is my friend Stephanie, who owns this company called Les Paradis. I love this. It's called Tahiti Body Balm. I love the packaging. It smells so beautiful. And this is great when you travel. It fits perfectly into my travel bag. And I have another body oil. This is a really cool product because I use this a lot on my celebrity clients. This is called Body Blur by Vita Liberata. This is really great because if you are wearing a short skirt or shorts and you want your legs to look really good, this is tinted. And when you put this on, it almost looks like you're wearing stockings. Like everyone is obsessed with this product. So this is really beautiful. All right, and then the last section is all my serums. I am a huge fan of serums. I use a serum morning and night. Obviously, there is quite some options in there, but I'm gonna walk you through some of my absolute favorites. My absolute favorite one is in the very back, which should be in the front, but it's the Clé de Peau serum. It's the wrinkle smoothing serum. I always joke with all my friends that this product is like putting on Spanx on your face. Like it literally tightens everything. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful product. So I use that all the time. I have my friend Shani Darden in here. This is a retinol, really nice product. So this is one of my newer favorite ones. I just did a live with Ken at Victoria Beckham, and this is the Victoria Beckham serum. This is just so stunning. I love the design of this packaging. It just makes me happy, and it's a really gorgeous product. Some of my other favorites are Chantecaille. There's another Biossance one in here. The Is Clinical is beautiful. This is really great if I feel like I have a little bit more of breakouts, and this really calms my skin. It's almost like when you put it on, it tingles a little bit. This is just a really great product. My kids even love this very much so. So I use that when I have a little bit of breakouts. And then this is a product I've heard so much buzz about, and I never used it, and I just started using it. It's called U Beauty. What's really unique about this sort of concept is that whoever formulated this says that this is really all you need. So it's like a serum and moisturizer all in one. If you kind of want a more simplified skincare routine, I think that this is really gorgeous. And oh, this is another indie brand by Honor MD. My friend Kelly here in LA, she has it at her store, and I really like this serum a lot. It feels really luxe and you get a lot for your money. And there's another Clé de Peau in here, Biossance, what else? One Skin is really beautiful. This is a more natural brand called Oesa, and I really like this serum. I actually have this in my pro kit. And another Clé de Peau. I have True Botanical, and oh, and there's a La Mer back here. And I really also like this Lancer. This is if you look for a good retinol, my two favorite retinols are the Shani Darden and the Lancer retinol. They're both amazing. So thank you guys so much for hanging out in my bathroom. I hope that you enjoyed this little tour. If you like that type of video, I can also show you the area where I do my makeup every day. So that will be another video coming soon. One thing I would like to mention, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but recently I've changed my description box up a little bit differently. I used to list every single product, and then you would click on it and then it takes you to each site where you can purchase the products. Now I partnered up with Shop My Shelf, which I am so obsessed with the three founders of that brand. It's a new website, and I basically have my own store or my own shelves on Shop My Shelf. So what's really great for you guys is that you can literally, each video I shoot for you, I create my own shelf. So you just have to click on the one particular link, and then it takes you to that shelf of the video, and every single product is listed, and it's visually so much more beautiful because you can really see every single product that I used in the video, and it makes it so much easier for you to even shop the product. Just go down below in the description box, check out Shop My Shelf, and give me some feedback and let me know what you think. And as always, please subscribe and leave me some comments below. I love reading all your comments, and I see you next time. Bye. This one is really great. Have you tried this?
No, I haven't.
Put it on your thing.
Ooh, oh.
It's good, right?
I love that. I want that all over my face.